In this video, we are going to learn how can you create an account on GitHub. The first thing what I will do, I will type GitHub, hit on enter, and this is the link that you see on Google. Click on this github.com. Alright, so once you are here, you need to, if you are logging into this portal for the very first time, that means you do not have a account. In case you do not have an account, then you need to sign up, otherwise you can sign in. So sign up buttons are available at two different places. One is at the top right corner, and here you can click on any of this. Let's click on the sign up for GitHub and wait for a second. It's going to ask you to enter your email address. Welcome to GitHub. Let's begin the adventure. Enter your email. So let me enter my email address. Use a genuine one, because there will be a verification code sent to you. Okay, so I have entered the email address, hit on continue, and then it is asking create a password. So create a password. Okay, so if it is strong, then you will see the password is strong and there is a green icon over here. Okay, so hit on continue. Let me retry. Okay, so done. Hit on continue. Enter your username. So let me enter my username and hit on continue. So in case the username is not available, you have to try with something else. That means globally somebody else might have taken your, that specific username might have been already used. Would you like to receive product update and announcement via email? If you would like to really receive, say Y. If no, you can also say N. I'm going to say N and continue. If you would like to say Y, you can also go for that. Verify your account. Please solve this puzzle to verify that you are a human being. So start a puzzle, hit on this. Pick the spiral galaxy. So this is the one, I need to click on it. Done. Again it's asking, so I'm going to hit on this. Verify your account. So once it is done, once you have a green tick mark, you need to click on create account. So let's hit on create account. This is slightly different. You have seen the sign up page. You are almost done. We sent you a launch code to your email address. Enter your code. So let me go to my email address, and this is the code that I have received. I'm going to copy this, come to this particular page and try to paste it. Done. So once done, automatically it is going to sign you in. Welcome to GitHub. We are glad you are here. How many team members will be working with you? So I would say just me. Are you a student or a teacher? So you can go with a student or a teacher if you're learning, and then hit on continue. Okay, what a specific feature are you interested using? Collaborative coding, automation. So what are the options in case you would like to go for it? You can also select that later. I will just hit on continue. Okay, so once everything is selected, you have learned to ship software like a pro, and then here you have got a free option and get additional student benefits. These are the couple of options given. So I'll go with the free option. Okay, unlimited public private repositories, 2000 CI and CD minutes month, 500 MB packet storage, community support. So all these things with the free account, we will go with the free account. Continue for free. Okay, so wait for a second. After this animation is complete, you will see your dashboard getting created. Okay, so here you can create repository, and in case you have to pass the profile link, you can hit on this option, hit on your profile, and that gives you with the username that you have created, right? With the username, this gives you complete profile URL in case you have to share with somebody else. And in case you want to create a repository, I'm going to create a new video on that, and I'm going to show you how do you create a repository and how do you link that with 𝗷𝗶𝗴𝘁 Studio. So thank you so much guys for watching it. We are going to come up with more interesting contents for you. Please do subscribe to my channel, and we are going to connect in our next video. Take care. Bye bye.